Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little self-care video where I dye my hair, I do my makeup, skincare, do a little DIY. I've been feeling pretty low, and as we all read the news in America, it's not looking good for us uterus holders, so that's fun. But also look at this creepy baby that's in this house that I'm dog sitting for. It literally makes me laugh so hard. But anytime I'm feeling like this, I do a little glam sesh, and I needed to refresh my hair color, so I used the one I always use, and it makes my hair like a nice dark lackey brown. Not all the way black, but still brown. It fades out. It's nice. I like it. Makes me feel like Megan Fox or Vampira. And then curling my hair always makes me feel like human again. And I just have this, I want to say it's a Remington, maybe from Walmart. It used to have a little tip on it. Curling iron I actually feel like works on my hair. Then we're going to go in with this Dew Collagen Whip face mask. It is so fluffy and amazing. And it's one of those like clay masks that dries down, but not the type that feels like you're ripping your skin off when you're trying to remove it. So that's nice. I think it's because it's whipped. It's not as abrasive. And then after that, I did my monthly little peach fuzz mustache eyebrow trim where usually I use aloe, but I only had vitamin C with me, and then my little razor, and I apply usually aloe, but I'm using the vitamin C, and then I take the little razor so it has a nice little slip to it, and I get rid of all that peach fuzz and dead skin and my little mustache, and kind of clean up my eyebrows a little bit. And it always makes my skin feel so good and makes my makeup go on so seamless. So I really suggest doing this. You don't have to, but if you want to feel super nice and polished, I very much suggest it. Then we're going back in with that vitamin C after we washed our face off again, because vitamin C is supposed to be good for acne scars and anti-aging. And I'm taking my little gua sha that I got off Shein. It's probably one of my favorite ones. I use this thing every morning and night. Even my husband does it. I really do think it does something. Really chisels out your face. And today there was an air quality warning, and I have asthma, so I could tell. I was very congested. And then I use my little ice roller, something I also use every morning and night. Not only is it depuffing, but it's super relaxing. And in the world we're living in, I need some extra relaxation, especially on my face. I got this one off Amazon, and it was only like $10. And even when I've been working out, I can rub it on my sore legs, and that's really helpful. I even got this one that is from Five Below, but I'm sure they have ones all over the world you can buy. But this one was specifically from Five Below for $5. And then it's just another little snatchy tool. Now we're going to do some makeup, and we're going to use the ColourPop liquid liner in the shade Graceland, which is a white. Speaking of Graceland, I just watched that new Elvis movie, and it was amazing. Austin Butler like literally was Elvis. It was terrifying how good he was at it, and he should win an Oscar. The fashion in this movie and the makeup was just on point, and I have had Elvis songs in my head all week, so I highly suggest you go out and watch it. We're going to be doing a kind of rainbow pride-esque inspired look today. You could wear this to Pride, you could wear this to work, you could go to the grocery stores. Doesn't matter. Let's make all those homophobic people really uncomfortable with our rainbow graphic liner, because love is love and they need to get over themselves. The world is feeling a little dark right now, so what better to wear rainbow makeup? This palette is from the Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Bay line. This perfectly encapsulates my personality. Rainbows, sparkles, unicorns, and dark and spooky. Packaging is so cute. I had to buy it, and I just used all the like rainbow colors in this palette. I'm not really going into specifics of the makeup today. This is just more of a, if you have rainbow colors, put rainbow on your eyes. There's a shimmer in this palette too, that I eventually take with my finger, and I just kind of like run it all over my lid and on the liner just to add some sparkle to it. But I'm definitely going to be repeating this eye look when I go to the drag show at our Pride Festival here in July. Ours is in July, even though Pride Month's in June, but let's be real, Pride Month is every day, and we should celebrate it every day, not just for 1 month. But look how amazing that looks. I love it. I even ended up adding some little purple at the end because I just felt like it needed some purple. It's from that same palette. There's that glitter I was talking about. It's kind of like a translucent glitter. And then I'm taking the Item Beauty Lash Slick Mascara. I really like this mascara. I got it in a boxycharm. And it's just like really good wand and separates really nice and long lasting. It doesn't flake off. I've been having that issue where like my mascara is like going on my bottom of my eye. I don't usually have that. Maybe it's just because it's summer. And this is my $1 Billion Brow Pencil. And I'm really sad because this right here was the last bit of it. Got it in a boxycharm, so I'm gonna have to find something that's similar because every time I use this, someone says my eyebrows look amazing. Just using a nice little pore smoothing primer from, I believe, Maybelline, and then I got a new shade from Physicians Formula, the Butter Believe It foundation. It's just a darker shade. I got really burnt the other day from swimming, so now all my foundations are too pale. But I really love this foundation. It smells so good and lasts really long. Then I got the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Concealer Serum in the shade Light. And I love this stuff. It's kind of a little bit on the gray side for me, but with the darker foundation it works out. But I kind of hope that they come out with a foundation version of this. I mean, you could technically just use this all over your face, but I have a feeling since it's like super popular on TikTok, they'll probably make a foundation. Going in with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush in Maui. Look how stunning that is. I have 3 of them, so I'll probably do a video this week swatching them all and showing them to you. But Maui is kind of like a peachy neutral. Nothing too fancy. Has a little bit of a gold shimmer running through it, which I thought would tie nicely with the yellow on my eye. Then I'm taking the Illamasqua Beyond Powder in Deity, which I love saying that word. It's not really showing up in there, but it's like very like iridescent. I'm taking my e.l.f. lip liner in mauve, which I'm obsessed with. I use this every day. And then I'm taking the Crème Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Yum. This stuff is so long lasting. I just got this, and again, something I've been wearing a lot. Also, look at this shirt. Halloween is my religion. I got this off of Tea Republic, so I will link it below, but there's never been something so accurate. Now we're going to be doing a bit of a DIY because when the world is crumbling, we need distractions. I saw this picture frame online for $20 and I refused to spend that much on a picture frame. So I got these like little stones that are like 98 cents at Walmart and some adhesive I already had, and I glued them onto this picture frame I already had and was given to for free. So, I mean, you can go to Walmart, you can go to the thrift store and get a picture frame anywhere. You could even like leave the gems as is, but I wanted to replicate the one I saw online. Eventually I have a bunch of these left, these stones, so I'm going to keep making more, but just different colors. They would make a very cute gift. And after you're done gluing them all down, they kind of look like olives. You will spray paint it any color you want. I'm doing this color called Sweet Pea, and it's a satin finish, so it's a little bit more, not matte, but matte would be really cute. And you just want to make sure you get all those sides of the gems. And I can see that there's a missing stone. I do find that later and reapply it. But after it's completely dried, you can put it back, the picture back in the frame, and it'll be done. Look at that. It is so cute. Obviously the stones aren't as in line as I'd like, but that's what's fun about like a little DIY. You get practice and you can make it perfect next time. Also, here is Miss Maisie. We have been babysitting her. She's a baby and I love her and I'm gonna miss her so much. But I hope you liked this video, and give you some inspiration to give yourself some self-care, because we all deserve it. And yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye.